I request Sri N. Janardhan Rao Garu, Principal, Andhra Polytechnic, Kakinada, to address the gathering.
Very good morning, all of you. Respected today's chief guest, Dr. N. Mohan Rao Garu, Principal, JNTU Kakinada, and respected guest of honor, P. Ravi Kumar, his Deputy General Manager, Kakinada Seaports Private Limited, respected our Yatapaka Principal Ram Satyanarayana Garu, Government Polytechnic, Yatapaka, and respected N. Suresh Garu, who is old student